Hey, this is RocketCity RVer. I'm about to take a little cruise on my electric scooter. I talked about a lot about this little electric scooter where I took with me camping, and it's a cool little device. And I did get myself a mount to mount the GoPro on, and what I thought I'd do is just take a little cruise around the neighborhood and test out the mount and also the new settings that I did for the GoPro to use on the scooter itself to see how well the video is going to work. Anyway, so not much of an RV video, but I'm going to tell you what, the last time I went to a campground up at Four Corners, this thing was invaluable. It's actually pretty cool to be able to have this to zip around on. I mean, I know you can use a bicycle, but it's just this is just kind of cool. I enjoy it. So this particular scooter is a, let's see if I can turn this around here, is a SmooSat Max. They say it has about a 30-mile range. I don't really know what the range of it is. I haven't really tested it, but I can tell you it's pretty nice to have a little bit of a suspension on the front. There is no suspension on the back. It's got a hub motor in the back, and the front is actually got a little drum brake. So all right, let's get moving on our little test here. All right, the mode I've got the scooter in right now is the middle speed. It's got 3 speeds. The first speed is up to 9 miles an hour, second speed's up to 12 miles an hour, and the third speed is up to 18 miles an hour. Typically keep it on the middle speed just because I don't know, it just seems safer at that speed to me. I have tried out the up to 18 mile an hour speed, and well, it's okay. Right now I'm doing 12 miles an hour, and it's just a comfortable ride at this speed. Neighbors have been doing some construction here, so they got some garbage out on the road for the local county to pick up. And again, some more construction materials that are out for the county to pick up. The area where I live in North Alabama is getting a lot of rain right now, and so my yard needs mowing really badly, but I can't do it. About 2 days ago we got a couple of days of just torrential downpours, and so it's going to have to wait till it dries out a little bit. There's actually a lot of deer in this area. Both deer and coyotes, for that matter. You have to kind of keep an eye out for coyotes. Not a whole lot of traffic on these roads back here either. I'm going to go right on up here past this guy's house and turn around and come back. Pretty nice area. Lots of open land, cows. Let's take a little turn and come back. Really just making this video to see how well the new settings on the GoPro are handling the vibration in this road. Not a perfect road, and that's really kind of a good test for it. Again, we're doing about 12 miles an hour. It's a pretty comfortable ride at that speed with the little scooter here. stopped, and the little mount has the ability to turn the camera slightly to in any direction you want. Actually, turn the camera slightly, focusing back toward my house, just to get a little view of my property as we approach it on the right here. Those cows are not mine, but they are on my land. So, and my grass is nice and green. It just needs to be mowed, and hopefully, if it'll stop raining, I can get it mowed here within the next few days. So anyway, a nice little ride. Test how they little mount that the GoPro mount that actually works really good. It holds on there with a screw, and it snaps on in case you want to take it off and use it. And if anybody's looking for something that's folding, the handle of this actually folds down right here at this point, and it snaps into the back fender here. So for anybody who wants one of these little scooters, I would highly recommend it. You can stick it in the back of your truck, the back of your car, whatever, and it's pretty nice. Anyway, this is RocketCity RVer. If you like this video, like and subscribe.